All right, what I'm going to do here is we're going to be pouring some concrete, and I want the forms to be 4 inches high. So I've got two pieces here cut, this one and this one over here, and the ground where I'm putting it is going to be somewhat uneven, but I'm going to fill it in, the uneven parts that is, with small scraps. So we'll see how it goes. One thing you have to do is, if you're going to build forms, you got to have stakes. And so I did drive that stake right there in. It's a long process. While I was doing that, I noticed the wind had died down, so I did get up one sheet of steel on my roof. So I'm going to show you that. Okay, you can see it right there in the center. Right there. And I did get some screws in. So we'll see what it's like tomorrow. I did notice it is a little bit wavy, but we'll have to deal with that tomorrow. It's getting dark, so I did get it up under the other roofing, the old roofing, and I have this gap in the middle, right up there. It's hard to tell, but we'll look at it tomorrow.